Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to log Mexc Crypto Account. So to get started with how you can simply log in with your Mexc Crypto Account, so the first thing to do, which is your step one, is to download the app. So if you haven't already downloaded the Mexc app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, open the app, then launch the Mexc app on your device, then tap on login. Then on the home screen, tap the login button, then enter the credentials. So input your registered email or phone number and your password, then complete your verification. So if prompted, complete any additional security verification such as your Google Authenticator, emails, or SMS code. Then access your account. So once verified, you'll be logged into your Mexc account and start trading. And that's how you can simply log into your Mexc Crypto account. Find the video helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.